Very good morning, dear students. Myself as a Sah Pejit English. Now I am explaining the third part of the poem Keeping Quiet, composed by Pablo Neruda. Line I am reading it out. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. The poet says that stillness should not be confused with total inactivity. Total inactivity implies passivity and lethargy. Total inactivity brings death. It brings life to a standstill. One word poet has used here truck and figure of speech, that is euphemism. The poet does not advocate total inactivity. Life is an ongoing process and it must go on. Life cannot come to a standstill under any circumstances. The poet has no association with death. That is what I want, no truck with death. He doesn't want any kind of violence, bloodshed, death on this earth. He doesn't want to join hands with warmongers. He wants to live a peaceful life without worrying about death, which is an integral part of human lives. Life is meant to be lived. Now, next line. If we were not single minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. The poet is against of single-mindedness. Man is single-minded about progress and advancement. He does so without thinking the consequences of his actions. Keeping our lives moving is a comment on the modern man's mechanized and busy life. For a moment, they should not think of keeping their lives moving. Life, no doubt, is an ongoing process, but in the name of progress, man is treading the path of destruction. He is trapped in a rat race of mad competition. He knows no rest, no peace. For once, doing nothing can be good for us. That's why he has written, and for once could do nothing. A long silence, a huge silence, total suspension of activities, can soothe our feeling and remove our sadness. The poet talks about the sadness of never understanding ourselves. The poet refers to the sadness that arises from the failure to understand ourselves. Today, we are so engrossed in achieving materialistic success that we have no time to introspect our actions and their consequences. Hence, we often end up hurting ourselves, and this results in sadness. Men become sad when they fail to understand themselves. They feel isolated. They feel helpless when they find themselves threatening with death. Now I am explaining these four words. Threatening ourselves with death. Here, poet means to say that the increasing arms race and men's unthoughtful actions in the name of progress have cost the nature deeply. Thus, the threat of death has been brought upon himself by man only. Now, next line. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I'll count up to 12 and you will keep quiet and I will go. Life never stops. We should learn the lesson of maintaining silence from nature. The earth also remains silent in the season of winter. In winter, the earth is covered with snow. All the activities in nature remain suspended. Everything seems to be dead, lifeless and still. But when spring comes, birds start chirping. Here letter proves to be alive. Here this letter stands for spring season. In spring season, plants get new leaves. All living beings revive back. Spring brings new life. The earth teaches us the lesson of preserving and resurrecting life. Earth teaches us how new life emerges from the ashes of dead remains. The central idea of the poet, his call to observe silence and introspect ourselves, resounds at the end, signifying the sincere desire of the poet about keeping quiet. The poet asks men to keep quiet and experience the ecstatic moments of silence which create a rejuvenation of thoughts and a change of mindset. It will help us achieve peace, and the poet will go. While maintaining silence, we can find solution to our problems and difficulties. Now this is the end of the poem. Students, I hope that you must have liked my video. Please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.